Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a Mars Hydro LED set. So let's get to it. So I had someone from Mars Hydro reach out to me and asked me if I wanted to review the light. And I had seen a lot of other plant tubers review the light and give good reviews. I also needed one because I'm going to be putting an area in my guest room. I'm going to be putting a little area to put some succulents in there to propagate and just grow in there. So I needed a light, so I was very happy to agree to review it. So let me get this open. Currently in that area I had put the terrarium that I set up, but one of my subscribers, and I wish I would remember the name, it may have been Linda, said that it would look, the terrarium would look nice in the entrance of the house, and I totally agree. So I want to get a little stand to put when you come in the home, and bam, terrarium. So I in the area that I now have the terrarium, I want to put some succulents and have like a shelf and some other plants that would require like high light conditions. All right, so as you open it, I didn't know this, but I love to see that you can dim this light. So I hope that it has everything you need in here for you to be able to dim it, and I hope that I am recording. I am. So turn on light switch, turn on dimming switch, adjust light intensity. So it is dimmable. I love to see that, because right now if this were to be full blast on the terrarium, I think it would be too potent if it's anything like the other LED light set that I have. Okay, I have a user manual here. It has this rope ratchet light hanger set. So be careful getting this out. Oh, these are cool. Alright, I have looks like telephone wire, but I see some cool stickers in here. It's really well packaged. Down. It has reflectors on the edges. I will find out how many lights it has. I want to say, let me see. Let me look at the user manual because I don't know. It's 2 foot by 2 foot. Wait, which model is this? First of all, this is the Mars Hydro TS1000. Okay, so this is the 1000. So this is 3 foot by 3. That doesn't even make sense. No. The footprint is 3 foot by 3 foot. So it has the cord in here. Some really cool stickers. These are cool. Now clearly I'm not going to be growing any pot, but if anybody is, those are some pretty cool stickers for that. Sit down here so I can figure this out. Alright, so basically you plug the plug in, make sure that it's in there really tight. I have to get a screwdriver because there's a silicone plug here that you have to remove or put in here so that you can dim it to where you want. You can dim it from 10% all the way to 100%, which is really nice because, you know, depending on what you need, what your needs are, your lighting needs are, you can really adjust that. This, I believe, is because you can connect up to 10 lights together. I don't know who has that much of a lighting demands, but if you do, you can connect up to 10 lights. I'm gonna just click these little metal fasteners on here. And these just click onto the sides here. Now this is going to be more light than I need for the area that I have right now. But like I said, I anticipate changing that area for succulents, and it's going to be the right amount of light that I need. Don't tell my husband. And I don't know what this is for. I didn't read anything on there. Yeah, there's a hole in here for you to clip this in here. And I don't know what it's for, but apparently you need to plug that in there. Let's see if it says what it's for. Connect LED board and driver. LED board and driver. And connect power cord. Alright. Let me turn this around so you guys can see. This has the where you can adjust the lighting with the knob, and it has a switch here. So, and this is the on and off, I believe, back here. I'm gonna bring it to the other room. I'm gonna give you the information about the device, but let me bring it to the room where I'm actually gonna have it set up. Okay. All right. So I have it set up behind me where it's gonna live. Looks a little crooked. It's driving me crazy. I don't know why exactly. It may be because I need to adjust the height, but we'll figure that out later. So I'm going to turn it on. There is a power button behind where I showed you guys. Let's see if I can reach it. I probably should have done this before because now I cannot even see what I'm trying to do. Oh boy, my eyes. Oh wow. Holy wow. Oh wow. That is, whoa, hella bright. Oh, that is gonna be way too bright for this terrarium. Yeah, way too bright. I can dim it because it is dimmable. I'm gonna take off this light set that I had set up here for it. this is, wow, really bright. Why is this crooked? That is really bright. Let me see if I can dim it, okay? Give me a minute. So this is with the lighting at 100%. I'm going to adjust it so you can see it at the different levels. So I do want to give some information about the lighting system. It was super easy to set up. It was pretty much just 2 plugs that I had to plug in, and 2 hooks up on the ceiling with the little pulley system that they sent with the hooks. But some information about it. It has a 3-foot by 3-foot range of light for your plants. It does have a reflector around the lighting to maximize the light, the LEDs. So it does have different color lights in there. It has the white, it has the blue, blue, the warm, and red. And all 3 of those, so it's a broad spectrum light. The red light increases combined with the blue light. The IR light speeds up phytochrome conversion, increases photosynthesis. So all this stuff is helps your plants. The blue light promotes plant germination, increases the growth rate of plants, and the warm white light boosts. It says boots, but I'm pretty sure they mean boosts plant flowering and increases yield. I like the dimmable function. These are made for the grow tents. I saw one of my friends, Nelly, she has it in a grow tent, and she has had some amazing results with it. If I remember, I'll link her information up above. The price point is really good. I believe that the other light set that I had tried out before, it is a little bit smaller and does not have the dimmable function like this. It's a little different, the dimming function, and it's about the same price. So this is a good price point. Okay, so some other features are it has 324 of the LED lights, and it has a dimming box. I have seen some of the reviews and it didn't have the actual dimming box with the knob, so that is that additional box that was on top that I didn't see in some other reviews. So I don't know if they upgraded it, changed it somehow, but this particular model did have an additional box with the dimming box, so that you can, with the knob and stuff, instead of just the switch on top. So just keep that in mind. Actually, you know what, I should check the dimming knob now, because not only does it have the where you adjust it, but maybe the knob can also adjust it even further. So let me try that. Okay, so I was right. So that this adjusts it even further, so I can lower and dim this further. There is a little adjuster that you can put 100%, 75%, 50%, 25%, and I think I have it on 75, the lowest setting actually, 25%, and then on top of that, the dimmer knob allows you to dim it to whatever percentage you want on top of that. So that is really nice, because before I said that was the lowest that it could go to, but I didn't use the knob on top of it. So I guess that is what that additional box is that I'm talking about, that didn't come with some of the other reviews that I've seen. So I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Sorry. So that's exciting now, because I thought that it was too that light was too harsh for some of the plants that I have in here, some eroids, and I'm glad that I can dim it further. But I'm pleasantly I'm pleasantly surprised with the light. I did not expect anything less than what I received, because I did see a bunch of reviews and they did give favorable reviews. The only thing I didn't like was and it's with every grow light, the knobs and the light, the chains. I don't particularly like the aesthetic of that. So I always have to find a way to cut and make that look a little nicer, but that has nothing to do with the light and how it works. It does give off some heat. Doesn't have a fan, so it's super quiet, but I will not say that it gives off a lot of heat. Like any other LED light, it's gonna give off some kind of heat, but I don't feel super hot under here. And I did see some reviews where they actually did temperature testing, and it was like 50 degrees on the top portion. They didn't do any testing of the actual lights, but they said that it was probably around, the lights themselves probably about 80 degrees. I don't know if that's true or not, but also, what else? The price point, it's $139, I believe, which is it's a good price point. There are quite a few lights. Some of them, run more than others. So I mentioned it being a 3 foot by 3 foot footprint, and that's for the grow tent. It's not in a grow tent, so I don't know what that means for me specifically. But for my purposes, it seems to be giving me a good amount of light for the space that I have. So I'm fine with that. It's giving me more than enough light that I need right now for this terrarium. So I'm fine with that right now. And I will probably bring it down further. I will bring it down further when I set it up for my succulents. But for now, this is doing more than enough, giving me more than enough light that I need for my purposes. It is the sunlight. It is the sun-like light, which I like. There's no blurple, so I really like that. I prefer, it's better for your eyes. You don't have that purple light that's supposedly terrible for your eyes and can give you seizures. So I would say I'm really happy with the light. I will do updates with how it works once I readjust and put my succulents here. I thank Sam from Mars Hydro for the opportunity to review it. I always appreciate the opportunities to check out new products, especially if it's something that I can use and will, find useful, and that you guys will find useful, because it may be something that you're looking to purchase or are in on the lookout for. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when I post something new. Till next time, let's make this world a more beautiful place, one succulent plant and cacti at a time. Bye.